guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the brand new FabFitFun Spring 2019 box. Holy shiitake mushrooms, this thing is massive. I can barely get it in frame. This is such a large box. I'm so excited. I decided I wanted to start sprucing things up here on my channel. I've been sticking to just BoxyCharm. I had Allure for a little while and then I ended up canceling that, and I decided I wanted to venture out. So this is my first ever FabFitFun box. So in case you are new to the FabFitFun realm as well, let's talk a little bit about it first. This box itself is $49.99. It is a little bit of a pricier box than your typical beauty box that's $20, but this box is only 4 times a year. They have it in the spring, summer, fall, and then winter. So at least it's not every month that you're paying $50. It's a little bit spread out, so it makes it feel a little bit better. I have heard really great things about it. The values are always in the $200 realm, at least the ones that I have seen. So I'm definitely excited to give this a shot and see if it's gonna be worth the $50, because that is a lot of money to be spending on a subscription box. But I did actually get this box for $39.99. I found a coupon code online that gave me $10 off my first box. So the rest of the boxes are gonna be of the regular price. This first one was just a little bit of a deal. I don't exactly know what the coupon code is that I used. I'll put it in the description box down below in case you guys are interested in the box as well and you want to save a little bit of cash if you want to test it out. I do believe they have some other deals where you can purchase the entire year and get it a little bit cheaper, but I'm doing month to month for now, you know, dipping my toes into the water to see how I like it. Yeah, I think that's all the information I wanted to talk about first. Now let's go ahead and get into this massive beauty box. Oh, that's cute. It says FabFitFun Spring 2019. Let's start here. First off, a little FabFitFun magazine here. Looks like there is a detailed list of what exactly comes inside of the box, all the variations you could get, and some other things. I'll have to peruse through this little magazine at the end. I'm sure you guys don't want me to look through that on camera. All right, so excited. Let's get into the first item here. Oh, I am really excited. There's a lot of stuff in here. The first product right up top in the box is by Away. It is their leave-in conditioner. It retails for $26. This is full size. It has 4.7 fluid ounces. I actually got a mini version of this inside of an Allure box, like super small. Hold on, let me get it. Boom, mini size. It looks like it's full, but that's because it was laying on its side. But I've used up a lot of it. I don't even think you guys can see that. It's all the way down here at the bottom. This stuff is really good for your hair. It smells incredible, leaves your hair feeling super soft. So I'm so excited that this came inside of this box. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I can't contain my excitement because I use and love this product, and I was almost out of this little sample size. It lasts a really long time. I got this a few months ago, which, just so you guys get an idea of what this is supposed to do, it is a multi-tasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle the hair. So I just use it when I pop out the shower, give a little spritz, and it feels amazing in the hair. It has such a good scent too. Oh, multi-purpose. Now I could save this little mini and use it for travel and just like put the full size back in that bottle. Reuse, reduce. All right, let's go into the next one. We have a Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. This bad boy retails for $42, which this I've actually received in a BoxyCharm, I believe it was, before. I ended up giving it to my mom because she saw it and she was like, "Oh, can I have that?" So I ended up giving it away. I did use it a few times. It has this like salmon color to it, which is supposed to help color correct the under eyes and get rid of dark circles. I don't really smell a scent, which I kind of like. Ooh, feels nice and cooling. And you really don't need to use a lot of this. You just take a little pea-sized amount, rub it between your fingers, and then pat it on underneath your eyes for skincare step or before makeup. Definitely happy I got another one of these since I did end up giving this away to my mom. I believe she was enjoying it. I can't exactly remember. I did really like it when I first used it, but I was just like, you know what, sharing is caring. I'm gonna give this to my mom. She really wanted it. But now I got my own. And it's an expensive product too. Wow, $42. So let's keep on moving. Holy moly, this is giant. This is a huge body scrub. This is the Mana Kadar. I really hope I'm saying that right. Champagne Body Scrub. It retails for $24. Let's take a little gander here. Ooh, it's got that little seal on it. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, that smells like heaven. Ooh. To me, it doesn't smell like champagne, but it has a very sweet smell. I can't exactly pinpoint what it smells like, but it's just very sweet. It smells like candy almost. It says it is supposed to be formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. And it says it's supposed to, of course, remove dirt buildup, leaving the skin polished and hydrated and refreshed. Oh my gosh, I just want to lather my entire body in it. It smells so good. It reminds me of those sugar scrubs, but I guess it's not supposed to be the sugar. It's the Dead Sea mineral, I believe, but definitely feels like it's gonna remove the dirt and exfoliate the body because, man, that's a lot in there. So far, we got all the tools for a pamper routine. Ooh, sorry. I get too excited during unboxings, especially when I don't know what it is. I'm just like, oh, it's a mystery box. I love it. But let's go ahead and move on to the fourth item inside the box, which, oh, this one I did choose. You could choose from 3 different products. This is by Gyadzi. You guys already know I mispronounce everything, so it doesn't even surprise me if I said this wrong. But it is their copper-plated measuring spoons, which retails for $15. I really enjoy copper accents in the kitchen. I just bought a really large copper trash can, and I'm planning to add a couple more little pieces here and there. I just think it's a really fun accent color to have in the kitchen. So I actually have the copper measuring cups, but I don't have the teaspoon set. So as soon as I saw those, I was like, yes, I'm getting the measuring spoons. So here's what they look like. Oh, they're so pretty, and they're like a solid copper. It doesn't look like those flimsy ones that you can sometimes find where the handle has been, what is it, soldered on or whatever they use to put it on, and it seems like it's a little bit flimsy or it's gonna start to bend. These ones are actually solidly made. That's a win. Let's keep it moving. We got another product here. Oh man, this thing is massive. This is the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. It retails for $28. And I just want to know, oh, 6.7 fluid ounces, almost 7 ounces? That's a lot of product. Wow. So this is a purifying face cleanser. And it says, this is no ordinary cleanser. You know, they all kind of say that, but this one is supposed to use probiotics in order to cleanse and remove dirt and impurities and make up gently and effectively. Let's do a little sniff test here. This kind of reminds me of the smell of Dove soap in a way. Yeah, that's the vibes it's giving me, Dove soap. If you've ever smelled it, you know the scent of this, so I will definitely be testing that one out. Let's dip back in to the box. We have, ooh, this is by Ciate London, their Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. This bad boy retails for $22. I have not tested out Ciate powder before. So this is a finely milled loose setting powder in translucent. Oopsie. I just tried to do like a little swatch test and spilled a bunch everywhere. Oh, feels pretty soft. I mean, you really gotta put that on your face to test it out. I will test that out on another day and just see how it performs. So much good stuff. Ooh. That was one of the items that I had no clue was coming inside of the box. That was one of those that you did not get to choose from. They picked one out of a lineup of 3 along with the facial cleanser itself. Don't worry, at the end I'll go over everything that was what everyone was getting, what was a mixture, and then what you got to choose from. So I'll re-mention everything at the end, which leads me into one of the items that I picked out. Yes, I got some Key Australia sunglasses. I couldn't resist when it had the option for 2 different pairs. I had to go for the sunglasses. I couldn't not go for them. I have a pair already by them. It was the Desi collab. Love those glasses. They're such good quality in glasses. Here she is. This is the style and pair that I picked up. This is in Vienna. These ones retail for $60. Comes with this little pouch too. Let's plop these on. I have a very small face, so I do kind of have to be careful with sunglasses. Some do make my face look a lot smaller. I think this may be one of the pairs that is just a little bit too big for my face. Just a little bit. I would need some of those mini high keys that Desi came out with that are just like a little bit smaller. I think those would fit my face a little bit better, but these might actually work better on my husband. Wonder if I can get him to come in here and try this on. It does have the adjustable little nose grips too, so you can adjust it to your nose, which is really nice. Could I get you to try these on?
Why?
Because for me, on my face, it's like a little bit too big, right? I want to see how they look on you. They're unisex. Oh, they look good on you. Show the camera. Damn it. Knew it. What do you think?
They're massive. Man.
Yeah, they are huge. They look really good on you though. I think they fit you better. Oh wait, I called them Vienna. No, they're Vivian glasses. My bad, guys. Vivian sunglasses. Are they unisex? Let's check it out. I don't know if they're specifically meant for men. I went on their website right now to just double check, but sunglasses really can be unisex. I mean, whoever wears them could rock them. So I think I'm gonna give this pair to my husband. At least he gets something for my little stash here. Which those are a $60 pair of glasses. I mean, it was kind of a no-brainer that I'd pick those because I love the Key Australia line. I think they have some gorgeous sunnies. And then lastly, this was the last item I could choose from. Comes with a little pouch here. So there was another 3 options to choose from, and the option I went with was a backpack. Oh, so it looks like this. I was actually in need of a backpack, and I thought this was a really practical item to put in there. This one retails for $75. This is an expensive little bag, but feels like good quality here. So this is like a pleather, I believe. I don't believe it's actual leather. I think it's a vegan, and it has this little button here to hold it down, and then this is made like of the canvas material. And looks like that in there. Oh yeah, creasing is normal with vegan leather, so it's a vegan leather, guys. And here is how it looks on my back. I need to tie up the straps a little bit to make it a little higher. But this is a really cute backpack. The reality of filming. I'm in sweatpants and a cute top. Don't judge me. Which that was now the last item. So overall, my first FabFitFun box, I have to say I'm really happy with. I mean, nothing had me being like, oh, why did they have to put this in here? Everything was just a fun, cool little item. I was very happy with it. Let me go ahead and pull out my phone calculator here and just tally up all of the items. Holy shit, you guys, a $292 value. That is incredible. Almost $300, and you only paid $49.99 or $39.99, depending if it's your first box or not. That is amazing. I'm very happy with the selection that I received also. And that's one of the things that I've been kind of missing from subscription boxes is the customizable part. I do enjoy that there's still a little bit of a mystery, but some of the bigger ticket items I like that I could actually choose, because then you're able to enjoy your box a little bit more knowing that there is specific items that you're actually excited about and that you really wanted. Which then leads me into the choices that I got to choose from. So in this little pamphlet, it gives you all of these selections that you can see, and then I'll go over each one. So the first category, you could either choose a muumuu robe, a backpack, or a aromatherapy diffuser. These were your three options. I, of course, chose the backpack. Then the next list of choices was 2 Key Australia sunglasses. They had one in My Girl in Black/Smoke, and then the Vivian in Black/Smoke that I chose, or the Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu, or a fourth option was the Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. And then the third selection that you could choose from was either the, I can't even say that, copper-plated measuring spoons, the ones that I chose, or the Lavido Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin Orange and Bergamot, or the mystery item, which they say, is it a palette, is it a body cream, or maybe a trigger ball? Guaranteed you'll love it, and it's a $20+ value. And then we move over here. So these ones in this different colors is only available for select members to customize. So I wasn't actually able to choose from these. The first ones were the Two Bandits Athens necklace, or the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, which is the one that I got, or the Sip by Sewell, which is a insulated little tumbler for either cold or hot beverages. The other little selection was the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, which is the one they gave to me, or a Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush, or a jump rope. And then the last three down here in the pink are the ones that everybody gets inside of their box. So it was Way Leave-In Conditioner, the Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel, and the Mana Kadar Champagne Body Scrub. So all of the boxes received these bottom three items. These ones were randomly selected, and these ones you got to choose. So very happy with this. I think it's a cool concept that they have. It is a little bit of a pricier box, so if you're looking at it and being like, no, that's out of my budget, totally understand. You don't need to get that box, but if you want to splurge and try out FabFitFun, I think this month was definitely worth it. I am extremely happy with this box. I think I'm definitely gonna keep my subscription, test out the next summer box, so whenever that comes around, make sure you check that out. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!